Shop Talk. Just wanted to show you a saw I set up for one of my customers here on the West Coast. It has a few extra features you won't find on these 390s. Take a close look here. It has the very large falling spikes, the 5-point. Very popular inside and outside for that heavier bark. And it has the black coil. It's the unlimited coil I installed on this, so this really makes this saw come alive. If you're looking for one of these very high performance West Coast chainsaws, give the chainsaw guy a call.